When people hear the phrase tracking spending, many immediately imagine something tedious. Saving receipts. Logging every purchase. Updating spreadsheets every day. And because that sounds exhausting, many people avoid tracking their spending entirely. But the purpose of tracking spending isn't to control every purchase. It's simply to build awareness. Today we're going to talk about how to track spending in a way that is simple, calm, and actually sustainable. Most spending decisions happen quickly. You swipe a card, tap your phone, or click a button online. And because those moments happen so easily, it's surprisingly easy to lose track of how money moves through your life. Tracking spending helps reconnect you with that flow. Not to judge it, but simply to understand it. Awareness often leads to better decisions naturally, without the need for strict rules. One reason people abandon spending trackers is that they try to do it perfectly. They categorize every purchase. They record every detail. And when they miss a few entries, the system falls apart. But effective spending awareness doesn't require perfection. Many people simply review their transactions once a week during the weekly money reset. They look through the recent purchases and notice patterns. That small check-in often provides all the insight needed. When reviewing spending, the goal is not to criticize yourself. Instead, look for patterns. Are certain categories growing faster than expected? Are there subscriptions that are no longer useful? Are there areas where spending aligns well with your priorities? Patterns reveal far more than individual purchases. And once you can see those patterns, it becomes easier to decide what adjustments, if any, are worth making. Tracking spending doesn't require complex tools. Some people use budgeting apps. Others simply review their bank transactions each week. Some people keep a short note listing major purchases. The specific tool doesn't matter nearly as much as the habit itself. What matters is staying connected to how money moves through your accounts. Interestingly, many people discover that simply paying attention to spending changes behavior naturally. When you regularly review your purchases, you begin to notice what actually matters to you. Some expenses feel worthwhile. Others may feel less important. Over time, spending gradually aligns more closely with your priorities. Not because of strict rules, but because of awareness. Tracking spending isn't about controlling every dollar. It's about understanding where your money goes and making sure it supports the life you want to live. A simple weekly review is often enough to create that clarity. If you'd like a worksheet that helps organize these habits and financial numbers, you can download the Money Clarity Starter Pack at readthebrief.co. In the next video, we'll talk about something that helps many people see their finances even more clearly, building a simple financial dashboard.